Everyone, it's Mrs. Munson, and I'm going to show you today the LibGuide for this project and show you some of the tools that you will utilize. So the first thing that Ms. Grimaldi and I determined was Wevideo is the best source for this project. So you can do videos and podcasts on Wevideo. The nice thing about Wevideo is that it is available through the web browser. So unlike iMovie, which is just on one person's computer, Wevideo can be accessible on anybody's computer. The other thing that's nice about Wevideo is the fact that it allows you to collaborate like Google Docs. So you know how in Google Docs you can share a document and then everybody can type on that document at the same time? Wevideo does the exact same thing. So it is going to be your go-to tool for this project. So here's the deal. You need to sign in with Google using your Blue Valley email address and password. Blue Valley District pays for the premium features so that we can collaborate and do some other things with Wevideo. And the only way they know is that we log in with our Blue Valley email address and password. Okay. On this LibGuide, we have quick start information about how to add media, add videos, add audio, how to trim a clip if it's too long or you mess up, how to save it as you're working on it, and then how to export it. For this project, you're going to export to YouTube, but I also suggest that you choose Google Drive so that you have the file available just in case you need it for future use. All right, let's look at Wevideo now. When you guys log into Wevideo, I need one person from your group to create a project. Just like in Google Docs where one person creates a document, same thing, except it's going to be a project. So click Projects, then go down to the right and choose Create New Project. And this is just one person in your group. You're going to title it, whatever you want it to be. And then choose collaborative. This is very important. It is not shared, it's collaborative. Click next, and you're going to choose invite with link. Select group members doesn't always work seamlessly, so inviting with a link is pretty good. Click on that, hit next, and then it's going to ask you to add media. Ignore that for now. And then you're going to copy and paste this link and share with everyone else in your group. Go ahead and create a video, and then everyone will in your group, once they get to the project, will be able to see the video timeline and everything else that goes with it. Now, if you're someone that the project shared with you, to access the project at any time, you'll click Projects, and then over here on the left, choose Shared with Me. Then you can see on mine, I have 2 projects that have been shared with me. And then when I click to go into that project, let's see if it does it. On the left, it will show me the video, other media that's been uploaded. So if you have an interview, audio podcast, all of that kind of stuff, you can upload it here and everyone can see it. That's using Wevideo. Now let's talk about copyright. When using YouTube, the first thing I want to point out is their rule of copyright. They will take your video off YouTube if it has content that is not original. I definitely see this with music. So even it says here such as music tracks and so on. So my thing to you is, do not use music from iTunes or Spotify. It will be taken down with that. Also, in your project, you have 15% of your podcast or video can be, I'm going to use the word, but unoriginal. The rest of it, you have to make it original with your either your voice, a video you create, and so on. Over here, YouTube, since it is such a problem with music tracks, They actually created a music library, an audio library with royalty-free, copyright-free music. So you can look through that to see what you can add to Wevideo. Wevideo also provides music for you. And the last thing, Wevideo allows you, because some of the content you may use in your project might be like an interview that you find online. It might be a news clip. You can record the screen by going over here under My Media and choosing Record, and you can choose Screen and it will record your screen. You'll need to make sure the audio or the sound is all the way up on your computer and there's not background noise, so it doesn't pick up your dog barking or whatever it might be. And then it will automatically be embedded into your media that you can drag later to the timeline. If you have any questions or need anything, over here on the left hand side there's the Ask Us button where you can chat with Ms. Grimaldi or myself, and we'll help you get started or figure out whatever technical issue you may have.